Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video I will show you how to send money from PayPal to Cash App. Alright, so I have here PayPal already open on my device. Now you can tap transfer from here and tap on transfer to bank. Okay, so you have here two options: to transfer in minutes or to wait for 3 days with no fee. Now in here we need to change this bank, so tap on change and tap on link a new bank account. Alright, now here Cash App will not show from this list. Even if you search for it and type in Cash App, it will return nothing. So here what you can do is you can tap on enter your bank details. Now in here you need two things: a routing number and an account number. So to get these numbers, you can go to your Cash App. Now in here, tap on the bottom left corner that has the dollar sign in it. And from here, tap on account and routing. Now here, this is your Cash App banking details. So you have your routing number and your account number. Now what you need to do is copy these two numbers into PayPal. Okay, so here we've copied those two numbers. Now let's tap on link this bank. Okay, so here we've successfully linked Cash App with our PayPal. So here let's try to send money to our Cash App. So let's choose the amount we want to send. Alright, now here we can choose to send in minutes or to wait for 1 to 3 days without fee and tap on transfer. Alright, so now we transferred $3 to our Cash App. So that would be all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.